Hello everyone, my name is Banwari Kmaut and this is my first video on YouTube. If you are completely new to learn Excel from scratch, this video is for you. So in this video we will understand what Excel is, what is benefit to use Excel and what is real life examples. This is very widely used software in the world. So first of all let's understand what is Excel. So Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft Excel and used to organize, collect, summarize data. And also we use Excel for visualize data. In this video, we will understand the interface of Excel. So at the very first top, you will see the title bar. This contains the search box and also file name. The file name, the currently open file name. If you saved the file name, you will see the name of this file here. And this contains minimize and maximize button and also your profile name. uh, at the left top bar, at the left top side, you will see quick access toolbar. This contains many frequently used commands like undo, redo, or auto save option. So below the title bar, you will see the ribbon. Ribbon is one of the most useful part in Excel, and it contains many tabs like home tab, insert tab, draw, page layout, formulas like this. At the below left side, you will see the name box which shows currently selected cell. Like if I select C4, you can see the address of the cell. Next to the name box, you will see the formula bar, which shows the current value of the cell. Like if I type any value in this cell, you will see the exact value in the formula bar. And if I use any formula, I will explain every formula, each formula in next videos, but this is part of learning, but this is for explaining you that if I write the formula like sum, which is basically used to add two number, 1 and 2, and enter, you can see addition of 1 and 2. So if I click on this cell where I used some formula, the exact formula you can see in formula bar. So if right, like if I write a value in a cell, then formula bar will show the exact value. But if I use a formula in a cell, formula bar will show you the exact formula which you used for calculation. So in this spreadsheet, you can see these are called row, such as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And these are column, which known A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And rows run horizontally across the worksheet, but columns run vertically across the worksheet. And this is cell, which is intersection of row and column. As you can see, C is the column name and 7 is row, and when they intersect it becomes cell, which used to contains the value. And as I told you this is name box which tell you the address of selected cell. And at the bottom you will see sheets, like I can create many other sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. It depends on you, it depends on your work how many sheets you can create. And this sheets also called worksheet. Worksheet contains rows, column and cells. At the bottom you will see the status bar which shows average, count and many useful information. This is status bar. Here you will see zoom option. You can zoom in and zoom out. Also you can arrange the page layout like this. But usually people use this normal page layout. So this is complete explanation about Excel. I hope you got my all points and you will be familiar. In next video I will explain each tabs, each command, each formula. Thank you for watching this video, guys.